Good morning, everyone. I am Lavanya S. from Agni College of Technology. Today, I'm going to present my internship project titled Food Genie AI powered food ordering platform. Food Genie is a full stack MERN stack web application that allows user to browse restaurants, review menus, add items to cart, and make payments and generate invoices through a simple responsive interface. Agenda. Today's presentation I will explain internship overview, internship timeline, goals, project requirements, full stack development, MERN stack architecture, front end back end database authentication, REST APIs, features, challenges, learning outcomes, future enhancements, live demo, and conclusion. Internship overview. During my internship, I learned complete full stack web development using a MERN stack. This internship provided practical exposure to developing a real world application from scratch. The major learning areas include front-end development using React.js, back-end development using Node.js and Express.js, database integration using MongoDB Atlas, REST API development, user authentication, front-end back-end integration, debugging and testing. Instead of learning only theory, I built a complete working food ordering platform. Internship timeline. This internship was divided into different phases. During the initial weeks, I learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Later, I learned React for front end development. After that, I studied Node, Express.js, and MongoDB. Finally, I integrated all technologies and developed the Food Genie product. This gradual learning approach helped me understand the complete software development lifecycle. Goals for my internship. The primary objective of internship were learn full stack development, build a real world application, connect front end and back end, design REST API, integrate MongoDB database, implement authentication, improve debugging skills, understand project structure. Food Genie helped me achieve all these objectives successfully. Project overview. Food Genie. Food Genie is an online ordering web application where users can browse restaurants, search food items, view restaurant menus, add items to cart, register and log in, place orders, enjoy responsive user interface, learn full stack development, build a real world project, database integration, REST APIs, authentication, and problem solving. Project requirements. Food Genie allows users to perform all essential food ordering operation. Users can register, log in, browse restaurants, search restaurants, view menus, add items to cart, modify cart, payment, download invoice. Full stack web development. What is a full stack web development? Full stack web development means developing both the front end and back end of a web application. Front end handles everything the user areas. Back end process request manages business logic and communicates with the database. The database stores all the application data. Food Genie allows this complete full stack architecture. MERN stack. Food Genie is built using the MERN stack. MongoDB stores application data. Express handles server-side routing and API development. React.js creates an interactive and responsive user interface. Node.js executes JavaScript on the server. Using JavaScript throughout the project makes development faster and easier. Project architecture. The project follows a three-layer architecture. Front-end sends requests to the backend. Backend processes the request to the communicates with MongoDB. MongoDB returns the required data. Backend sends the response back to React. The architecture keeps the project organized and scalable. Food Genie's front-end structure. The front-end contains different React pages and reusable components. Pages like home, login, register, restaurant details, card, payment, invoice, profile. Components such as navbar are used across multiple pages. React Router is used for pages to navigate without refreshing the browser. Now the backend. Backend follows the MVC architecture. It contains modules, containers, routes, database connection. Each API request follows the flow: client, route, controller, model, MongoDB. This separation improves maintainability and scalability. Now the database design. FoodGenie uses MongoDB Atlas. The project contains 5 collections: user, stores, email, name, password, and profile information. Restaurant stores: restaurant name, cuisine, image, address, rating. Food stores: food name, price, description, image, restaurant ID. The restaurant ID connects every food item with its corresponding restaurants. Cart temporarily stores selected food quantity, price. Order stores ordered items, total amount, payment method, order date, ordering history. Authentication. Authentication follows only registered users to access application. New users registered to the sign up page. Passwords are encrypted before storing in MongoDB. Existing users log in using their email and password. This provides secure authentication. REST API. Before that, let me tell you the authentication flow. Sign up, user model, controller, route, MongoDB, JWT token, and protected routes. Now, the REST API. The backend exposes REST API example include post sign up, post login, get restaurants, get food, post orders. These API enables communication between the front end and the backend. Now, the project features. FoodGenie includes login sign up, search, restaurant listing, dynamic restaurant menu, add to cart, quantity management, payment, invoice generation, and responsive design. Let's now see the challenges. The challenges faced was routing issue, API integration, MongoDB connection, authentication errors, debugging React components, and the solution used were React Router, Test API with Postman, improved errors handling, optimized project structure. The learning outcomes were HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, REST APIs, JWT authentication, React, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, debugging and problem solving. The future scopes. Our future enhancements include AI food recommendation, live order tracking, Google login, online payment gateway, customer review, notification, admin dashboard, coupons, and offers. These features can make FoodGenie more scalable and user friendly. Here is a live demonstration. I have my login page here. First, I open the login page. Then I entered my registered email and password. After successful authentication, I am directed to the home page. Now I am going to search the restaurant's name on the search bar. I click add to cart for a few food items and a confirmation message appears. Now I open the cart page. Here users can see the profile. Next, I open the profile page. Here users can update their personal information. Users can also log out securely using the logout option. Now I select a restaurant menu. The application dynamically loads the restaurant's menu, each menu item displayed. Now I open the cart page. Here user can increase quantity, decrease quantity, remove items, clear entire cart. The total amount updates automatically based on quantity. Now I proceeded with my payment. Users can choose UPI, credit, debit card, cash on delivery. I select one payment method and click Pay Now. After successful payment, the application generates an invoice. The invoice displays order ID, date, item purchase, quantity, subtotal, GST, delivery charges, grand total. Finally, users can download their invoice as PDF. This completes the complete order flow of Food Genie. Now, here you can save your invoice, and this is the invoice page you get. After downloading the invoice page, you can go back to home by clicking the back home button. And after this event, you can log in, log out. Now, the conclusion. Food Genie successfully demonstrates a complete full stack MERN application. Through this project, I learned React development, backend API development, MongoDB integration, authentication, REST APIs, routing, debugging, front end and backend integration. This internship greatly improved my confidence in developing real world full stack web application. Overall, Food Genie provides valuable experience and strengthened my understanding of modern web development. Thank you for your valuable time and attention. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. I would be happy to answer any questions.